my people. Yeah, obviously, I'm live now at National Museum, Benin City. The call recital I'm receiving from here, it's really not encouraging at all. I was just surprised. I just got by yesterday and I decided to put on some shows or see how we make things for lively things up here. But from what I'm seeing, things are not making sense. At least, you need to come see this place. Nothing seems to be working, you understand? This is the premises now, nothing seems to be working. And my views right now is these trees that are bringing these infectious beds. Why don't they uproot them and make everywhere look lively? You understand? And make it more spacious. Yeah? At least look at dirt everywhere. Everywhere is so dirty. This is enough to propagate the coronavirus that we're talking about, scared about all that's killing people right now. Wake up call. Please, my country people, I'm really displeased. You can't even plan a great show like this national festival with my signatures on it, and we open it to be great. And the National Museum is like this. You need to come see this, man, guys. You need to come see this. Drive to this place, or if you're around Nigeria, come and see this place. Come and see this place. It's not nice. It's not nice. And people are making illegal business inside, and at the detriment of the country's people, of the nation's pocket. They don't even care about fixing up the place. It's so untidy. And here I am right now calling the attention of the state government, the Honorable Governor Nogase Obaseki, and this amiable deputy, and also the president also. Let them look into this. Look at the National Museum. This place to be lively up. You need to come see this place at night in the Oshumoles era. All lights and everything is spraying. This used to be one of the beauty of Benin. But look at what you can see today. A dead and decayed infrastructure. This is not fair. This doesn't make sense. I'm saying this right now. I'm posting this right now with a lot of pain. I feel this pain, and I've not really been around to observe this. I feel this pain. This alarming. Let something be done about it. We're not holding the National Sports Festival. I'm not coming. I won't be there. And I'll make sure I cancel all the dignitaries and everything. We won't just hold it. Like, there will be no need for it. At least there's enough to focus on right now at the moment, rather than wasting money on such event. If this is not fit stop, this is one of the requirements. If it's not fit stop. If it is not fit stop, then the show is not holding. I'm going to make sure to that. I will move my signatures, and my business partner will move their hands from it, and we'll focus something else on something else. Let this be fit stop first. This is one of the necessity requirements that should be fit stop. National Museum, Benin City, Edo State, King Square. Let it be fit stop. Let them bring everything back to life, and let all these trees be uprooted. These trees are a lot of things that hold destinies in this state. Let them be uprooted, and let all these things be uprooted, and let everywhere be looked. And on a more serious note, and this you are putting on these trees, I'm really more serious about it. If they are putting, the state government can generate more money from it, from the process and everything. My construction company can come and take care of the uprooting and everything. If they contract it to me, I don't care. I will come and handle it. Atlant is always there. Atlant Construction is always there. Or why DCC is always there to come and handle that. But they can give it to somebody else. I'm not really care about that. Let everything be fixed up. Let it be looking fine like it used to be. At least back then, let it be looking fine like. And now I'm Prince Etino Salseri, Lucky, Edo Jawide. And I just want to make common sense. I just want to say I'm not happy with what I'm seeing right now in the state where I come from, Benin City. This doesn't look nice. Let the right authority look into this before talking about National Festival. I'm glad I will cancel the year for now, putting it pending. Let us talk about this before we talk about having anything like National Sport Festival. Thanks.
Program where they entertain listeners with that kind of music.
Well, that's okay. Right, y'all, the show once again is going to have guys all the way from Ohio and the United States. So that's the undertones right here with me now.
General Manager Independence Radio, Pastor Dan Omozisi, said the collaboration with the United States is of great value to the station and fuel for its sustenance.
In this area, Independent Radio is on top, and we have been doing our best. And for them for the U.S. Embassy Lagos to sponsor this team to Independent Radio, it has given us another high grade.
The leader of the team and band member shed more light on the visit.
And we really wanted to think, how can we get our message out to more people in the Mid-City? So we decided to come here to your radio station and TV station, so that we could talk about their trip to Nigeria and what we're doing here.
We're
here with a program called American Music Abroad, and they kind of scheduled us to play in Abuja, Lagos, and then here in Benin, because it's a city that is rich in arts culture, so we're happy to be here and experience
Glad you guys know.
share some of our art. Yes.
Hunter Souls Jazz Band came into being 8 years ago and consists of members who live together on Hunter Street, Ohio, United States, and adopted the name because of its roots and history. The band has earlier performed in Lagos and Abuja. Thomas Sado reporting.
Nice one. Sure.
Edo State